Welcome to AlphaCars and Royal Enfield Boston. Today, I'm very excited to share with you two awesome accessories for your Hunter 350. This in particular is a 2023 Hunter 350 in the Dapper Ash color. And these accessories that we're about to look at, they are available on our online store and we can ship them right to your door. The link to both of these will be just in the description and in the video for you to click on. So definitely keep that in mind. Let's get right into it. First, we'll take a look at the Sump guard on the Hunter here. This is a very quality product from Royal Enfield, as we're very used to with their accessories. They always do a great job with the design and quality of construction. This is the black one. They're also available in a silver finish. This bike is sold, so the customer did select these accessories and they wanted the black one to go along with the rest of the black accents on the bike, the front fender, the engine, the frame, etc. And it's very easy to install, as well as uninstall for future services or cleaning. There's just 4 Allen bolts to undo, so there's 2 at the front here, and then there's just 2 at the very back on the bottom of the plate. And this is a very substantial plate. So especially if the going got tough, depending on where you're riding, this is gonna do an awesome job at keeping the bottom of your engine and frame protected from debris in the trail or even debris on the road. There might be something that comes up on the road that you can't avoid, you just gotta hit it, and this would protect the vital components of your Hunter here. It has a very nice little Royal Enfield logo there, and I like this sort of design here with how the plate is stamped. I'm sure that has some sort of engineering purpose as well. Maybe it adds strength, but I think it looks really, really nice. And it has great clearance with the exhaust. Really, the fitment is as you would expect, like I said, with the high quality Royal Enfield products. So that's the Sump guard. Now, lastly, we're taking a look at the rev counter kit. So this kit adds a tachometer to your Hunter or Meteor 350. And I will note that with the Meteor 350, if you have one that did come with the Tripper navigation, this does replace where that goes, so keep that in mind. But this adds a very high quality Daytona gauge. It's a plug and play kit, comes with color instructions, and it's really, really cool. Let's turn on the ignition. It comes on when you start the bike. So we're in neutral, let's start it up. Does a little gauge sweep there. And you saw that red light that comes on the left bottom corner. That's actually a shift light that's fully customizable. You can have that blink at you at any specified RPM. We can see that really nice white backlighting. And there are a few different colors to choose from. I really like the white. I think it goes along perfectly with the other gauge there. But we can see right now it's displaying our voltage, 13.6 volts, so that's super cool. It has a voltmeter built in. And now there's a couple of buttons on the back. So if I cycle to color, I can hold the other button, gives us sort of a blue. Then it gives us a red, so lots of options there. I'm gonna stick with the white, I really like that. And then there's also a sort of max RPM counter there that keeps track of that. But that gauge has a lot of customization, a lot of different user programmable features, and that's something for you to explore in the listing on our e-store. And when you get the product, it's all detailed in the instructions that comes with it. But we can see it's idling very happily. I can rev it up, and we can see there the shift light flashes at us. Of course, that hasn't been set yet. That needs to be set to the rider's preference, but you can see how it works there. It is very responsive and really adds a great functionality, great usability, and in an OEM fashion where you would think that it came that way right from the factory. So as I said, both of these accessories, they are available on our online store. Definitely check them out. We also have really hundreds of other accessories for all the Royal Enfield lineup and other motorcycles for that matter. You don't even need to own a Royal Enfield. If you're looking for a nice phone mount or a charger for your bike, still check out our e-store. We make the buying process very easy and enjoyable, ship it right to your door, and we hope that you'll check it out. So that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this short little video sort of showcasing just a couple cool accessories for the Hunter 350. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe so then you don't miss out on the future Royal Enfield content.